Hi, I'm Karen, and in this Fix It with Karen video, we're going to look at using the bridging strategy to add a single digit to another number. All we're going to need are some counters or glass nuggets or other similar small items, and some playing cards. So here we have a calculation, 8 plus 6. So to be able to do this, first of all, we need to be secure with our number bonds for 10, knowing which two numbers add together to make 10. And also we need to be able to decompose a number. So break a number like 6 up into its component parts. So it could be 5 plus 1 or 3 plus 3 and so on. And what we're going to do is we're going to use counters to make the number 8. So I'm going to use a dot pattern, 5 and 3 more, I know makes 8. And I want to add on 6 more. And again, I'm going to use my dot pattern for 6. And there are different dot patterns we can use, but I like to use the ones that are based around 5 and 10. So I have got 8 and I want to add on 6 more. Well, using my understanding of number bonds for 10, I know that 8 needs 2 more to make 10. So if I take 2 across, I can see now I've got 10. And because I've used 2 of these 6 counters, I've got 4 counters left. So 10, add 4 more, makes 14. So we're using 10 as a bridging number. It's like a step towards getting our answer. And it's because 10's what we call quite often a friendly number. Our number bonds for 10 are really important. So we tend to learn those as key facts, and we can use them a lot to help us with our addition. So if I'm not using counters, how I might think about this is with a number line. And I'm using an empty number line. And I'm starting with the 8. And then I know I want to add on 6 altogether. So to get to 10, I know I need to add on 2 more. So now I'm looking at my 6 and I know I've used 2 to get to 10. So that means I've got 4 more left that I need to add on. 10 plus 4 more would be 14. So we can move from the step where we're using our counters to the step where we're thinking about a number line. Now we're going to look at a little game, a simple game that we can play to practice that bridging strategy. So I've got some playing cards, but they just go from the 6s up to the 10s. And all we need to do is each player is going to have 2 cards. So here's player 1, and they've got 5 plus 7. So we're going to use our bridging strategy, and we can remember that it doesn't matter which way we do our addition. So 7 plus 5 will give us the same answer. And it can be quite useful to put the larger number first. And now we can see that to add on to 7 to make 10, we would need 3. 7 plus 3 are number bond for 10. I'm just going to put some little nuggets on with 5, because as a step from working with the nuggets to working without them, we can use them on the card at first to see what's happening. So 7 plus 3 more, 2, 3, would make 10. We can see those 2 5s in our card. And we can see we've got 2 more left over. So 10 plus 2 equals 12. So 7 plus 5 equals 12. Let's see what player 2 happens to. Okay, so we've got 6 plus 9. So again, I'm going to put the larger number first, 9 plus 6. Well, I know that I just need to add on one more to 9 to get to 10. So if I take 1 off here and imagine putting that onto the 9 to make 10, I can see I've got 5 left. So 10 plus 5 more would be 15. And if we play this as a game, we can just say whoever gets the largest total when they add their 2 cards gets to keep all of the cards. And at the end of the game, the person with the most cards wins. So once we're confident in working with numbers to 10, bridging across 10 to add a single digit, we can extend this to working with any number. So looking at this calculation, 27 plus 4, we're going to use the same method. And I'm going to record my thinking in a number line. So I'm going to start with 27, and I know I need to add on 4. So we're thinking about this time not going to 10, but going to the next multiple of 10. So after 27, our next multiple of 10 would be 30. And to get to 30, I can use my number bonds for 10. 7 plus 3 would make 10. So 27 plus 3 would equal 30. And so I can see if I've used up 3 of the 4 that I need to add on, I've just got 1 more left that I need to add on. So 30 plus 1 equals 31. And this bridging strategy will work for any 2-digit number, 3-digit number, and also going beyond that into larger numbers and even decimals as well. I hope that's helped you to see how easy it can be to add a single digit using the bridging strategy. I hope you will have fun practicing and playing the game.